thought you might like to see the new workshop. Nice little oak frame. Bit of design work as my hand and my gorgeous little wife's. A little bit of me corner. 26 years in the army. Got the fire going, kettle on. This is my new workbench. So this is where I do most of my drawing up and carving. That's my inspiration. Windows need cleaning. And then the heavy duty workbench. This is where I do most of the heavy carving and shield making. So these are the toys I'm playing with this week. So a nice little album cover axe for someone that lives on a canal boat and is a big fan of Sid Vicious. Seeks I'm working on, Leviathan, and then a Celtic boar head. The stock starting to look good. So these are mainly my axes. Work to do, so that's my work in progress. Sharpening, sanding station, and the rest of the stock. So these are the spears, boss, knives, trinkets, a few other bits in there. It's not a huge space, but I'm really happy with how it's turned out. What do you think?